All right, we're going to go over how to find our keys, and what we use is called the circle of fifths or fourths, and this is based on our flats and sharps patterns that we've talked about before in class. So remember, our flats pattern is B, E, A, D, G, C, F, or bead, greatest common factor. And with the exception of the key of F, which has one flat, every other flat key is going to have a flat in its name. Okay, so B flat is going to have B flat and E flat. So that's the order of the flats. It starts here. This is the first flat that you encounter. That's 2, 1, 2, 3, etc., etc. Okay? Now for sharp keys, they don't have sharps in their name, but we start with F, C, G, D, A, E, B, which I remember as fat cats go down alleys eating bologna. And so as soon as you start on G, after that, you find your sharp keys. So our first sharp is F. So in the key of G, our first sharp is F. Okay, and remember, it's not the key of F sharp. It's F sharp because we're in the key of G major. Okay, and these are all our major keys. Another way to think about it is to look at this and put it in a circle. So you have your circle of fifths or fourths. Okay, so you start with C. No sharps, no flats. And what we're going to do is go through our fourths. So the fourth note of C, C, D, E, F. That's F, right there. And after that fourth, we add one flat, which remember from our order of flats and sharps, B flat. Okay? And then the next one we have is B flat, which has two flats. Okay? Let's map this all out. And so here we have our mapped out circle of fourths or fifths. So if you go this way, we're going through fourths, we're going through our flat keys, and then going this way, we're going through fifths, we're going through our sharp keys. Okay? And the word to remember is N-Harmonic. N-Harmonic meaning the same note with two different names. And these are N-Harmonic scales. So we have our D flat, which D flat is the same as C sharp. So you can either call it C sharp or D flat, depending on the key signature. If it's sharps, C sharp is D flat, flat, okay? And so we go around either way to practice our scales for all our 12 major keys. Something to notice that helps me remember the key of things is it totals up 7. So if I take a key over here and add it to something over here, it's going to be a total of 7. So we take E, which has 4 sharps. So if I wanted to figure out E flat, I know that it's out of 7, got 3 left, it's 3 flats, or vice versa. Let's say I was in E and I know that E flat, or I can remember that E flat is 3 flats. 7 minus 3 is 4 sharps. Okay? So think about that and make sure you add it up to 7. Add it up to 7 so you can figure out the key signatures for that. Okay? This is important to play in different keys, to recognize different scale patterns and the structure of music. Thank you for watching.